Hey there. So, a process is basically a series of steps or actions you take to get something done, like making your morning coffee or assembling a piece of furniture. You know when you brew coffee, first you grind the beans, then you add water, and voila, you have coffee. That's a process right there. Now in the business world, processes are like the secret recipes for success. They're how companies make their products or provide their services. Imagine if making coffee took an hour instead of a few minutes. That'd be frustrating, right? Well, the same goes for business processes. Improving business processes means finding ways to make them faster, smoother, and more efficient. It's like upgrading your coffee maker to brew your Java in seconds. When businesses improve their processes, they save time and money. This means they can make more coffee, or whatever they sell, and make more money. Plus, it's not all about speed. It's also about quality. Better processes mean fewer mistakes, like spilling your coffee all over the place. When companies do things better, it makes customers happier. Think about it. If your favorite coffee shop consistently makes a perfect latte, you're going to keep going back, right? So, in a nutshell, improving business processes is about making things run smoother, faster, and with fewer hiccups. It's a win-win for everyone. Just like you'd want your morning coffee routine to be easy and enjoyable, businesses want their processes to be efficient and effective. That's why process improvement is a big deal in the business world. Oh, and here's the icing on the cake. When business processes get better, employees are happier too. Imagine having a coffee maker that's easy to use and always gives you a great cup of joe. Well, happier employees mean a happier workplace. And if you're the business owner, you're going to be all smiles too. Why? Because when your processes are humming along smoothly, you'll have more time to focus on the fun stuff, like dreaming up new coffee flavors or planning your strategy. So, it's a win-win-win for your customers, your employees, and you. And here's the real magic trick. Once you've sorted out your coffee making process, you can apply the same idea to other parts of your business. Whether it's making sure your customer service is as smooth as a freshly brewed espresso, keeping your space clean like a tidy coffee shop, managing your finances without a hitch, making sure deliveries are on time like clockwork, or keeping your warehouse organized. All these processes can benefit from a little TLC. So, it's not just about coffee. It's about making your entire business run like a well-oiled machine. And here's the kicker. Once you've got your coffee place running like a finely tuned espresso machine, you've basically got a working blueprint. That means if you decide to open up a new coffee shop or expand your current one, you've already got a reliable plan in place. It's like having a recipe for success. You can take what you've learned from perfecting your first coffee spot and use it to make your new one just as awesome. It's all about having a set of common practices and instructions that make scaling up a piece of cake. So, not only are you making your current business better, but you're also setting yourself up for future success. How cool is that? This is why processes are important. And when getting them right, you can boost efficiency, reduce waste, and ensure long-term success. This is process improvement in a nutshell.